Today, let's learn how to create icon animations in Figma. Let's create an artboard. Then I am drawing the lines of a hamburger menu. Let's add some thickness. Make the endpoints rounded. The first icon is ready. Now let's duplicate the artboard. And let us rotate the lines to create the close icon and hide the line which is left. Remember to keep the layer name same as first artboard, as the Figma will map the layers based on its name for the micro interaction. Now let's do the prototype. Go to Prototype tab on top right corner. Click on Add Interaction, select the mode on click, and navigate to Artboard Close. Change the animation style into Smart Animate. This will make the changes smoothly rather than just switching the artboards. Now let's do the reverse flow as well. To make the close change to hamburger by clicking on that. Now we can rename this flow as well. In case we have multiple flows, it will be useful to understand. To see the preview of this prototype, click on the play button. If you like this video and want to see more, do like the video and subscribe to the channel.